Hey guys, today we're going to talk about cleansing your mind through conscious cleaning. And this is what I do every day in the morning. And in today's video, I'm going to explain how conscious cleaning can help cleanse your mind. And every morning I wake up, the first thing I do is to clean something, to cleanse something outside so that my interior also get cleansed. And there is a way you need to do conscious cleaning. So while you clean something, while you sweep, while you clean dishes, or while you vacuum your room, or while you clean anything, dust or anything, there's a conscious cleaning that you can do inside your thoughts, and the garbage that you have inside your mind can also be cleaned when you actually link the cleaning that you do outside with the thoughts inside. So there is a link that you need to create between the thoughts and also the cleaning that you do. So I'm going to explain how I do it so that you can do the conscious cleaning and you can actually cleanse your mind with conscious cleaning. Now, a lot of people have this tendency or the OCD to clean everything so they cannot see the dirt, right? And some people might not have the tendency to clean at all. They keep everything dirty. But here's the thing. Cleansing or cleaning anything outside can also be a meditative process. It's kind of a meditation that you do while you actually clean. But the only thing that you need to do is kind of link your thoughts to the dirt. And when you actually are cleaning the dirt, you also cleanse your mind at the same time. Now, the key thing to do conscious cleaning inside and outside is to watch your thoughts. So you need to have a little bit of meditative experience of watching your thoughts. And if you can watch your thoughts, you can actually link what's going on within your mind with the cleaning that you're doing outside. So when I do conscious cleaning, what I do is the mind is kind of repeating all the things that has been going on yesterday or day before yesterday or in the past, or it's jumping into the future, right? And I want to empty or cleanse what's going on with my thought process. So what I do is when I clean my dishes, what I focus is I kind of create this state of linking my thoughts to the dishes what I'm cleaning. So when I clean the dishes, I'm also cleaning my thoughts. I'm emptying my thoughts as I clean. So this is not easy process to do. You need to be able to watch your thoughts, and at the same time you need to be able to link that with the cleansing that you're doing or the dirt that you're cleaning. And once you actually clean, you can actually cleanse the thoughts that's going on in your mind. And early morning cleansing your mind is very, very important, because there's a lot of things that can bother you. There is a lot of things that can trigger you, in putting the motion, in putting the action into place. Maybe you want to read something. Maybe you are in urgency of finding something or researching something, or all these things. Mind is a beautiful thing which helps you to kind of be creative or research something or know something, but at the same time you need to also learn how to empty your mind, because once you empty your mind, there is a different world, different dimension that you experience, and the elevated state you experience, because mind is a kind of barrier, but mind also helps you to reach there. So cleansing your mind is really important. It's something like, you stack up the garbage, but you need to kind of empty it out. You need to throw the trash away. It's something like that. Mind need cleansing too. You need to empty your mind, because you cannot keep a lot of garbage in your mind. If you keep a lot of garbage in your mind, you know, it's very heavy things that you're carrying, and you cannot be free, you cannot be joyful. The person who can empty his mind is free and happy and joyful. So emptying your mind is something like cleaning the garbage, which you need to do on a daily basis. So every morning I get up, I do conscious cleaning. That's the first thing I do, conscious cleaning. And then I go and meditate and do my other stuff. But the first thing I do is conscious cleaning. And today it really triggered me about the conscious cleaning, because yesterday I was looking a lot of things in internet and was like, I want, as soon as I get up early in the morning, I want to do research, I want to find something, I want to do this, I want to do that. Like, mind is kind of, so as I do conscious cleaning, what will happen is, because I'm practicing this conscious cleaning, what happens is, as I clean, I empty my thoughts. It doesn't matter if it's an important, urgent research I have to do or important thing I need to figure out in my life. There's nothing important at that moment when I do my conscious cleaning or when I meditate. That early morning time is to cleanse my mind. It's to make my mind empty. It's to go to a different dimension. So in today's video, I want to say, whoever is already into cleaning, they want to keep everything clean, it's good. So the only thing that you need to do is have an awareness of your thoughts, how it's been generated. And if you can link that with the dirt, it's like junk in your mind. You need to kind of throw it out, right? So as you cleanse, if you can watch your thoughts, if you can, watching your thoughts is also a practice. You need to do that on a daily basis to understand how to watch your thoughts, so be in the present moment. So if you're not in the present moment, then you're in the past or the future, which means your mind is dragging you to the past or the future, and it's creating a world or imaginary state which you are not in, which is not in the present moment. So as you can cleanse, you be in the present moment, you be conscious, you be alert, you be aware. And at the same time, as you're cleaning, you come into this state of being in the moment, being aware and alert. So use the cleansing process to meditate, to be conscious, to be aware. So yeah, conscious cleaning, this is what I want to say today. Hopefully this video helps you. Thank you and have a blessed day.